How do I withdraw cash from my Capital One credit card? And what are the associated fees and limits?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to withdraw cash from your Capital One credit card, a process known as a cash advance. We'll also discuss the fees and limits associated with this feature. Please note that it's crucial to understand the costs and implications before making a cash advance, as it could affect your credit score and overall financial health.
What is a cash advance?
A cash advance is a service provided by most credit card issuers that allows cardholders to withdraw cash, up to a certain limit, via an ATM or at a bank, much like a debit card. This can be helpful in a pinch, but it comes with various fees and interest charges, which can accumulate quickly.
How to get a cash advance from Capital One?
1. Locate an ATM. The first step is to find an ATM that accepts credit cards. Most ATMs do, but it's essential to confirm before attempting a cash advance. 2. Use your Capital One card. Insert your card into the ATM, exactly as you would a debit card. You'll need to enter your credit card PIN. If you don't have or remember your PIN, you'll need to contact Capital One to request a new one. 3. Follow the ATM's instructions. The ATM will guide you through the process. You'll select Cash Advance or Credit Card Cash instead of checking or savings. 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount of cash you want to withdraw, ensuring it doesn't exceed your cash advance limit. 5. Take your cash and receipt. Once the ATM approves the transaction, it will dispense your cash. Be sure to take your card, cash, and receipt before leaving the ATM.
What are the associated fees and limits?
When using a credit card for a cash advance, there are typically fees and higher interest rates involved. It's essential to know these before proceeding with a cash advance. 1. Cash advance fee. Capital One may charge a cash advance fee, which is often a percentage of the cash advance amount or a minimum flat rate, whichever is higher. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, it was either $10 or 3% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. 2. Interest charges. Unlike regular purchases, cash advances begin accruing interest immediately, with no grace period. Capital One's cash advance APR is typically higher than its regular APR. 3. Limits. Your cash advance limit is a portion of your total credit limit and may vary depending on various factors, including your account history and creditworthiness. Please check the most recent card agreement or contact Capital One customer service for the most accurate and up-to-date information. So that's the process of withdrawing cash from your Capital One credit card and the associated fees and limits. It's important to remember that while a cash advance can be a useful tool in certain situations, the associated costs mean it's best to use this option sparingly. As always, effective financial management includes understanding all of the features and charges of your credit tools. I hope you found this information helpful, and thank you for watching.